Welcome back. As we move deeper into the digital age, our lives are more connected than ever before. Every day we rely on technology for everything from banking and shopping to communicating with loved ones and working remotely. But with every click, there's a hidden risk. Every second, somewhere in the world, someone clicks a malicious link, believing it's a message from their bank, a trusted company, or even a close friend. These links are designed to look harmless, but they're anything but. This is the work of digital wolves in sheep's clothing: phishing attacks. Phishing is one of the most common and effective cybercrimes, and it preys on our trust and curiosity. The emails and websites look real, but they're carefully crafted traps. What makes phishing so dangerous is that it doesn't require advanced hacking skills. All it takes is a bit of creativity, some clever tools, and a basic understanding of human psychology, what's known as social engineering. Hackers exploit our habits and emotions, tricking us into giving away our most sensitive information. Today, we're shining a light on one such tool, Zphisher. This tool is often run on Kali Linux, a popular operating system among cybersecurity professionals and hackers alike. Zphisher automates the process of creating fake login pages for dozens of popular websites, making it frighteningly easy for attackers to launch convincing phishing campaigns. But let's be clear, this isn't a how-to guide for criminals. Instead, think of it as a know your enemy briefing. By understanding how these tools work, you can better defend yourself and your loved ones. Knowledge is power. Understanding the tactics and techniques behind these attacks is the crucial first step to building your defenses. The more you know, the less likely you are to fall victim. Remember, hackers don't always need to break through firewalls or crack complex passwords. More often than not, they simply ask for your password, and you hand it over, not realizing you've been tricked. In this chapter, we'll break down how Zphisher operates, why it's become such a popular tool among hackers, and the real dangers that victims face when their credentials are stolen. We'll also look at the broader impact of phishing on individuals and organizations. Most importantly, you'll learn practical steps to protect yourself. From enabling two-factor authentication to recognizing the subtle signs of a phishing attempt, these simple actions can make a world of difference. The internet is essential to modern life, but every login, every password, and every click is a potential risk. We must stay vigilant, especially as hackers become more sophisticated. Today's hackers have made stealing credentials disturbingly easy. With tools like Zphisher, even beginners can launch attacks that fool thousands. Our mission is to arm you with awareness, your best shield in the digital age. By staying informed and alert, you can protect yourself and those around you. The more you know about these attacks, the better equipped you are to spot and avoid them. Share this knowledge with friends, family, and colleagues, because cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility. So let's pull back the curtain on the methods hackers use. By understanding their tricks, you can stay one step ahead and keep your digital life secure. Remember, awareness is your best defense. Stay sharp, stay safe, and don't let the digital wolves catch you off guard. Let's start with the basics. When people think of hackers, they often imagine shadowy figures in dark rooms. But the real story is about the tools they use and how accessible those tools have become. Kali Linux isn't your average operating system. It's built from the ground up for security testing and digital forensics. It's the go-to platform for ethical hackers and cybersecurity experts around the world. It comes loaded with hundreds of specialized tools for network analysis, password cracking, wireless attacks, and much more. These tools are designed to probe, test, and secure digital environments. Security professionals use Kali to find vulnerabilities before criminals do, helping organizations stay one step ahead of cyber threats. It's a critical part of defending networks and data. But the same powerful tools can be misused by hackers with malicious intent. The line between ethical hacking and cybercrime is often just a matter of intent. Kali's power and accessibility make it a double-edged sword. Anyone with basic computer skills can download it and start exploring its capabilities. Enter Zphisher, a script that automates phishing attacks and takes things to a whole new level of simplicity. Instead of spending hours coding fake websites or setting up complex servers, a user simply runs Zphisher and is greeted with a menu of ready-made options for different types of phishing attacks. It's phishing in a box, no technical expertise required. Even someone with minimal experience can launch a convincing attack in minutes. Zphisher democratizes phishing, making it easy for anyone to launch convincing attacks that can trick even cautious users. This ease of use is what makes it so alarming to cybersecurity professionals. A decade ago, launching a phishing campaign took real skill, patience, and technical know-how. Now, it's as simple as point and click, lowering the barrier to entry for would-be attackers. The script clones real websites, like social media or banking pages, and captures credentials automatically, sending them straight to the attacker. That's why Zphisher is so dangerous. It puts professional-grade attack capabilities in anyone's hands, regardless of their background or experience. The barrier to entry has never been lower. As these tools become more widespread, the importance of cybersecurity awareness and education has never been greater. Why do hackers love Zphisher? The answer is simple. It's all about simplicity and speed. In the world of cybercrime, time is money, and efficiency is everything. Zphisher is designed to make phishing as easy as possible, even for those with minimal technical skills. There's no need to write a single line of code. Just pick a target from a user-friendly menu. Media. Computer screen showing a menu with various social media and payment site logos. Close-up of a hacker's hand navigating a menu on a laptop. Instagram, Facebook, PayPal, Twitter, and many more popular platforms are just a click away. With just a few clicks, Zphisher instantly generates a perfect clone of the chosen site's login page, making it nearly impossible for the average user to spot the difference. What used to take skilled hackers hours of manual work, coding, designing, and testing, now takes only minutes. The process is streamlined and incredibly fast. The script takes care of everything: cloning the site, setting up a local server, and even creating a public link using tunneling services like DMARC. This means hackers can operate from anywhere, without exposing their real location. With this level of automation, hackers can launch multiple phishing campaigns at once, targeting dozens or even hundreds of victims in a single day, maximizing their reach and potential payoff. Zphisher also helps hide the hacker's identity by tunneling traffic through secure channels, making it much harder for authorities or security teams to trace the attack back to its source. The links generated by Zphisher often look technical and legitimate, sometimes even more convincing than the real thing, which increases the chances that unsuspecting victims will click. But perhaps most importantly, Zphisher is designed to exploit human psychology. It preys on our trust in familiar brands and our tendency to act quickly online. We trust the look of familiar sites and often act on impulse, especially when we're distracted or in a hurry. Hackers count on this, knowing that even a moment's hesitation can lead to a costly mistake. The real power of Zphisher lies in its ability to turn our everyday habits against us. That's why it's so effective and so dangerous. Every Zphisher attack starts with a plan and a believable story. The hacker picks a target, say Instagram, and crafts a message to provoke urgency or curiosity. "Your account is at risk, verify now," is a classic pretext. The hacker runs Zphisher, selects Instagram, and chooses a login page template. In seconds, Zphisher clones the real login page and hosts it locally. It then generates a public link using a tunneling service. This link is the bait. The hacker sends it via direct message, email, or text, paired with their urgent story. Click here to prevent account suspension. The trap is set. All the hacker needs is for someone to click and enter their credentials. The process is fast, automated, and frighteningly effective. That's how the net is cast. Picture the hacker's screen. They open Kali Linux, run Zphisher, and see a menu of targets. Let's say they pick Facebook. Zphisher offers different phishing page options: login, poll, security check. The hacker chooses one, and Zphisher clones the page, sets up a server, and creates a public link. In seconds, a weaponized link appears, ready to be sent. The hacker copies the link and crafts a convincing message, like a fake security alert from Facebook. "We detected suspicious activity. Secure your account now." The email is sent. The campaign is live. The hacker waits, watching Zphisher for stolen credentials. No coding, no advanced skills, just a few clicks. That's all it takes to launch a phishing attack. From the victim's side, it starts with a normal-looking message. An urgent email from Facebook security warns of suspicious activity. The message looks official: logo, colors, even the sender's name. The user panics and clicks the link. They land on a page identical to Facebook's login. The URL looks odd, but urgency overrides caution. The victim enters their credentials and hits login. Instantly, their info is sent to the hacker. The fake page might redirect to the real Facebook, so the victim suspects nothing. Meanwhile, the hacker's screen lights up with the stolen username and password. The hacker now has full access. The trap has worked. Once a hacker has your credentials, the damage is immediate. They change your password, locking you out. They can scam your friends, steal personal info, or spread more attacks. If you reuse passwords, the hacker tries them everywhere: email, bank, shopping sites. Access to your email means they can reset passwords for all your accounts. Financial loss, identity theft, and emotional distress can follow. Recovery is slow and stressful. The psychological impact, anxiety, loss of trust, can last long after the hack. Protecting your credentials is critical. Your best defense is skepticism. Be wary of urgent, unsolicited messages. Always check links before clicking. Hover to see the real URL. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on all accounts. With 2FA, even stolen passwords are useless without your phone. Never reuse passwords. Use a password manager to create unique, strong passwords for every site. Keep your software updated. If you get a suspicious message from your bank or a service, don't click the link. Instead, go directly to the official website by typing the address yourself. Verify any urgent claims through official channels. These habits make phishing attacks far less effective. A little caution goes a long way. Stay alert, and you'll stay safe. We've shown how easy it is to launch a phishing attack with tools like Zphisher. The threat is real, and it's not going away. Your habits are your strongest defense. Pause before you click, check every link, and question urgent messages. Use 2FA password managers, and always verify through official sites. Take an hour to secure your accounts. It's worth it. The responsibility for your digital safety is yours. Stay informed, share what you learn, and never underestimate the threat. Knowledge and vigilance are your best protection. Stay safe.